rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Yes, sir. Looking clean, too. I should appreciate it. Thank you. I should appreciate it. Oh, look at this.
Oh, that's nice. I like that.
I like that.
That's probably melted by not melted.
But heat it up. Yeah.
Get it fair.
This was it? Looking real good.
Thank you. We're the new guys on the block. We've only been around for a year.
That's it. What? That was hard to build?
We did it in 2 weeks.
Had to heat it up and all that?
Yeah. So yeah, we still got to work on that because that wasn't the plexi that we ordered. That's the thickness that we ordered. We didn't get it. So we're waiting.
Okay.
So we just wanted to get it to the show so we could get it here, show it, at least make some noise.
Yeah, it's nice.
But we got it here. And
it looks good.
thank you.
There's not many people that want to work with the glass like that.
I wanted to stand out and not. I went to 4 different shops. The way we got started was 4 different shops didn't want to even touch my system because I already started.
Right.
So I was like, all right, well, I could do a better job than half of the people here. So I
Just do it yourself.
just did it myself, and that was it.
Yeah, then you start your own.
And, you know, through evolution, I've gotten a little bit better through the year, but, you know.
That's usually how it goes, man, you know.
Let's give it a whirl. I know you don't have it.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.